Hello friends and welcome back to your channel House to Home. This episode is on egg noodles, a perfect, quick and easy fast food style egg noodles. I've taken about 300 grams of unflavored plain noodles, 3 large eggs, oil, salt, cabbage, onion and carrot sliced lengthwise. You can also use capsicum, green beans, pepper powder and a little chili powder, finely chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies. You can also use paste of these. A little red chili sauce, green chili sauce and soy sauce with a teaspoon of vinegar. So I've mixed all sauces and kept here. So these are all the ingredients required, and now let's start making. At first let's cook our noodles. For this I have taken a large pan with water. Let's add little salt to it. And a little oil so that the noodles will not stick to each other. Boil the water well. And drop in the noodles. To cook the noodles, follow the package instruction because each product varies in time. Mine was for about 3 to 5 minutes. Cook until the noodles turn very soft. Don't overcook it. Now the noodles are perfectly done. Let's strain the excess water and run it under plain water and keep this noodles aside. Now take a pan and add in oil. And our oil has turned hot. Now add in the chopped chili, garlic and ginger and saute for a while. Once you are done, add in the veggies and saute until it turns soft and a little transparent. Collect it in a side, and now let's fry our eggs. Whisk the eggs in a bowl and add it to the pan. Drizzle some oil. Add in salt and the spice powders. Remember that we have already added salt to our noodles and the sauces had the salt content, so adjust the salt accordingly. Scram fry the eggs. Once the eggs are halfway cooked, mix the veggies and fry both together. Now let's add the noodles to this and give everything a very good mix. Add in the sauce mix. I am using only a very little soy sauce because my family people doesn't like the soy sauce. So you can adjust the sauces accordingly. Top up with some spring onions, cilantro and serve hot with some ketchup. And noodles is perfectly done now. Hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know your comments and reviews in the comment section box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to House to Home, like and share the episode. Thanks for watching House to Home.